Okay, let's take a tour of our room. Room 211 on deck 1.
Deck 1.
Yes.
Carnival Valor.
Scott put me in the basement. All right. So as you see, we walk in, we have portholes for some daylight.
Yes, I know. It's actually is pretty bright right now.
Yes. So this room actually can sleep 3 people. You've got the single twin bed there, and then you've got the pull-down bunk.
There's Kim's bed.
That's my bed. And then you've also got this couch, which you can make up into a bed. So 3 people can sleep in this room.
Yep.
So here is a look at it. There's your TV.
Now, the one thing that we found so far with this room is there is only one plug.
Mm-hmm.
One plug. That's it. Okay.
That's
It's got the European plug. I wish I'd brought my adapter. Forgot. But just one plug. No USB ports or anything like that. So take that into consideration. You definitely need a little like splitter kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. So back there, when you enter, is the closets.
Lots of storage.
Mm-hmm. Just got your shelves there, and you've also got your full-length mirror on the door. Okay. You have another closet. Got life jackets up there. Hopefully we don't need those.
Hopefully not.
And your hangers. And then there's a couple of shelves down on the bottom. Then you've got one more closet over here. Shelf with hangers and a couple more shelves down there. We haven't unpacked yet, so our suitcases are just in here for right now. We're gonna shove them under the bed after we unpack. Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom.
Back to the cloth shower curtain.
Yep. Cloth shower curtain. There's your sink area.
Got lots of sink area though for putting away your stuff, so you got at least a little bit of room to work.
Yeah, and this does come with a makeup mirror. You've got the magnifying mirror on one side, regular mirror on the other side. And you also have a clothesline. Clothesline for hanging up your wet bathing suits. Pretty standard bathroom.
Yep. Definitely can tell it's a little bit older ship.
For sure.
All right. Now you have your desk out here.
Mm-hmm.
Plenty of storage in the drawers. There's your hair dryer there. So lots of drawer storage. And then there's your little mini fridge.
Yep.
There you go. And then another little storage area there.
And then your safe is actually here under the TV in this little cabinet. So there's your safe.
Yep. And he's not one of the newer with the digital code. You need to slide a card in order to lock it.
Okay.
All right. I think that's pretty much it. This was room 211
On deck 1
of the Carnival Valor.